Welcome into CBS News 24/7. We begin with breaking news. The Justice Department just released transcripts of convicted sex trafficker and Jeffrey Epstein associate Ghislaine Maxwell's interview with Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche. The transcripts right here, hundreds and hundreds of pages of them. Let's get right to CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman to break this all down. And Katrina, I understand the team's still going through all of the pages of the transcript. We've got them right here too. What have we learned so far?
So we're reading through all of this, but there have been some interesting nuggets. For one, Ghislaine Maxwell told Todd Blanche, "I actually never saw the president in any type of massage setting. I never witnessed the president in any inappropriate setting in any way. The president was never inappropriate with anybody." So she is questioned about President Donald Trump, whether she ever saw him get a massage. She says the same thing about former President Bill Clinton, that she never saw him get a massage either. He only traveled with Epstein on his plane, and she said there was never a massage on that plane that she was aware of. Another thing she says is that, "I do not believe that he died by suicide," about Jeffrey Epstein. She speculates that it's possible that another inmate killed him in prison. Maybe it was over an internal reason, she said. So we're learning more and more about this interview that took place behind closed doors with Todd Blanche and Ghislaine Maxwell as we read through all of these hundreds of pages, as you mentioned.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we want to carefully go through them. And even in reading them, Katrina, the first 50 pages of the transcript were just kind of a conversation back and forth, kind of just getting to know each other, a little bit of the background before he really dug into it. But Deputy Director Todd Blanche and Maxwell had a little bit unusual situation in their transcript talks. Talk about that.
Well, as we were saying, this was just so unusual for them to meet in this way. And at the very beginning of the conversation, Todd Blanche does say to her that this isn't an exchange for anything, that he's not making her any promises as a result of the conversation that they're having, that, you know, she could be prosecuted for perjury. She has been accused of perjury before, but Ghislaine Maxwell was transferred to a more minimal security prison after all of this transpired. This also comes after there have been rejections to all of the government's efforts to get the grand jury transcripts unsealed, both in New York and Florida. We know that DOJ is now turning over the Epstein files, at least a batch of them, to the House Oversight Committee. So some information is finally coming to light that the public has been asking for.
Well, we'll continue to go through the transcripts. I know that you're looking at them as well. We'll check back with you. Katrina Kaufman, thank you so much.